Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have come to Manchester IKEA, which is located near the Manchester city center. So now we are going to the entrance of the Manchester IKEA. So we are on the road. The car park is located at the front of the store. The car park is open air surface and the surface consists of tarmac. There are no designated blue base parking bays available. The parking is free for all users. There are three electric vehicle charging points. The dimensions of the surveyed electric vehicle charging bay are 2030 centimeter, sorry, 230 centimeter width and 490 centimeter depth. The controls are not at a suitable height for a wheelchair user. The nozzle holster is not at a suitable height for all wheelchair users. The charging points require an app. There are no electric vehicle charging points designated for blue base holders. There is no designated drop-off points available. This is the entrance of the multi-story car park. The lift surveyed is located to the left of the level 3 multi-story car park entrance. The distance from the entrance is 9 meters. The most accessible route to the lift is step-free level access. Level 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are accessed by this lift. The lift door has a low visual contrast and maneuvering space in front of it for a wheelchair user. The external lift control button have texture marking and low visual contrast. All of the external lift controls are at a suitable height for a wheelchair user. The lift door opening width is 239 cm. The internal dimension of the lift is 239 cm. The internal lift control button have a tactile marking and a low visual contrast. Some of the internal lift control are at a suitable height for a wheelchair users. Internally, the lift has a separate door to exit a visual floor indicator. Lighting levels were uneven at the time of the survey. ICA is basically a Swedish company. It provides various types of furniture, accessories, and various types of interiors, and provides and also ICA retailing has more than 80 years of history, but they believe that they are just at the beginning and they are developing a new world of ICA. ICA IKEA opened its first store in Warrington in 1987 and they have since grown to employ nearly 12,000 co-workers at 21 stores across the UK. ICA was founded in Almond, Sweden by Ingar Kamprad in 1943. Since then, they have gone from being a tiny mail order company to becoming one of the most well-known home furnishing brands around the world. Their vision influences everything that they do. The products they develop, the ideas they share, the materials they use, every little things. That's why their vision is so powerful and delicate at the same time. The ICA value chain is the circle of life. It starts, ends, and restarts as they reach out to current and potential customers to understand their needs and dreams and listen to their feedback. The next step is when they use that knowledge to design and create products. They always strive to develop the IKEA products on the factory floor and they go into full scale manufacturing. Next comes packaging and distributing, where they do everything they can to transport the products as cost efficiently and as sustainable as possible. As the products reach out the different sales channels, they use different ways to inspire and interact with people so they discover and hopefully buy their products. Then once again, they are back where they started, listening to and learning from both existing and potential customers. A strong IKEA business is dependent on a strong IKEA culture. It contributes significantly to a more efficient and effective IKEA organization, which in turn sets them apart from other and helps them make a better IKEA for more of the people. Their values are the compass that guides them in their everyday ways of being and doing things. The culture is formed when they put this value into action. The eight IKK values are togetherness, caring for people and planet, cost consciousness, simplicity, renew and improve, different with a meaning, give and take responsibility, and the last one is lead by example. IKA Foundation is a philanthropic organization that provides grants for programs that helps families living in poverty afford a better everyday life and fight and cope with climate change. It is funded by INJKA Foundation and is independent of the IKEA retail business. Generally, they have a budget of around 200 euro million per year. Today we have purchased a workbench.
wardrobes. Basically, these wardrobes is 117 into 176 centimeter dimension, and this wardrobes is feeding system. Let's see the entrance of the wardrobes. This one, and the third one is that one, and it cost around 135, and the parcel system is basically two ways. One is the pickup and you can choose the delivery system, and the total delivery cost is around 45 to 50 pounds. Yes. And there is also a feeding system, and if you choose to feed up from their people, and it will cost around 60 pounds. Thank you.
This is the collection floor of the furniture. It's located at the ground floor of the IKEA building. Now we are going to collect our furniture that we have purchased. We have purchased today a home furniture, and now we are working for collection. After collecting, there is also a payment booth here, and let's see.